Jim Hayes. I'm Director of Manufacturing for Allredi. I'd like to introduce you today to the Marco brand powered by Allredi 6.5 blast machine. The M series blast machine is equipped with a Quickfire 125 remote control system, which is the abrasive trap, 1-inch outlet valve, muffler, and 1.5-inch inlet valve. This particular model is also equipped with an extractor moisture separator. The 6.5 M series is available in both pneumatic and electric controls. This particular model is set up as pneumatic. And our pro tip on small machines is that if you get over 100 foot of control line, switch to your electric system.